If you don't have an overlocker or a serger, you can still get that professional finish on your raw edges of the seams using your sewing machine. You can use this presser foot. It has a metal, like a metal extension there that you align the fabric with as you sew. So take off your straight sewing presser foot and insert the overlocking foot. Make sure all the threads under the foot and at the back out of your way. And now you're ready to select your stitch, the overlocking stitch on your sewing machine. This is what mine looks like. So just check your machine and your manual. Now you've got your overlocking foot and you've selected the correct stitch. Just check your pattern piece, make sure there's no fraying bits and pieces of thread flying everywhere. Place your fabric under the presser foot aligned with that metal extension and off you go. Sew away. And here we are. That's the underneath, the bobbin, and that's the top stitch. Nice and neat, professional looking.